Adding depth to perfumes with earthy notes. Adding depth to perfumes with earthy notes. Perfumes have captivated humanity for centuries, enchanting our senses and creating memorable experiences. From ancient civilizations to modern times, fragrances have played a significant role in cultural rituals, personal grooming, and even emotional well-being. The art of perfume making has evolved, incorporating various ingredients and techniques to create unique and captivating scents. One way to add depth and intrigue to perfumes is by incorporating earthy notes. These natural elements not only enhance the olfactory experience but also connect us to the grounding forces of nature. Earthy notes in perfumes encompass a wide range of scents, including those reminiscent of soil, roots, moss, woods, and leaves. These natural ingredients evoke a sense of the outdoors, drawing upon the aroma of a forest after the rain or the scent of freshly turned soil in a garden. By incorporating earthy notes, perfume creators can transport wearers to unique and memorable olfactory landscapes. One significant advantage of using earthy notes in perfumes is their ability to recreate a sense of connection with nature. In our increasingly urbanized and technologically driven world, people often yearn for a return to the natural world. The inclusion of earthy notes in a fragrance can provide wearers with a way to reconnect with the elemental aspects of life. It allows one to close their eyes and envision walking through a dense forest or feel the warmth of the earth beneath their feet. This connection to nature offers a source of comfort and tranquility in our hectic lives. To understand how earthy notes create depth in perfumes, we must analyze some of the key ingredients commonly used. Patchouli, for instance, is a classic earthy note that adds depth and richness to fragrances. It has a woody, musty scent that is often associated with spirituality and introspection. Patchouli's earthy quality helps to anchor and stabilize more volatile and floral notes in a perfume composition, creating a balanced and complex scent. This ingredient is often used in Oriental perfumes, where its earthiness shines through, creating an intriguing and alluring aroma. Vetiver is another essential earthy note used in perfumery. Derived from the roots of a grass native to India, vetiver possesses a unique and distinct scent. Its aroma is rich, woody, and smoky, reminiscent of both damp soil and fresh vegetation. Vetiver has a grounding effect in fragrances, adding depth and complexity while evoking a sense of calm and stability. This ingredient is often used in masculine fragrances, but its versatility allows it to complement a wide range of compositions, from Kuiper to Orientals. Moss notes, such as oak moss and tree moss, contribute to the earthy character of perfumes. These ingredients provide a green, damp, and forest-like scent that adds a layer of complexity and intrigue. They add a natural and almost ethereal quality to a fragrance, evoking images of walking through a dense, enchanted forest. Moss notes are particularly beloved in cheaper compositions, where their earthiness is beautifully juxtaposed with citrus and floral elements, resulting in a harmonious and captivating scent. Aside from these specific ingredients, many other earthy notes contribute to the depth of perfumes. Woods, such as cedarwood, sandalwood, and agarwood, offer warmth and grounding. Leaves, such as galbanum and basil, provide a fresh and aromatic greenness. Even certain spices, like black pepper or clove, can add an earthy, warm undertone to a fragrance. Each of these natural elements brings its own unique character to a perfume, enhancing its overall depth and complexity. It is important to note that while earthy notes can enrich a perfume, their inclusion requires a careful balance. When used sparingly and thoughtfully, earthy notes can lend depth and character to a fragrance. However, an excessive amount of these ingredients can overpower the composition, resulting in an unbalanced and overwhelming scent. Perfume creators must skillfully blend earthy notes with other elements to ensure a harmonious and enjoyable olfactory experience. The incorporation of earthy notes in perfumes not only adds depth to the fragrances themselves but also allows for a deeper emotional connection with the wearer. Scents have the power to evoke memories, trigger emotions, and transport us to different places and times. Earthy notes, with their connection to nature and grounding qualities, can elicit feelings of comfort, nostalgia, and even adventure. They invite wearers to explore the world of fragrance beyond superficiality, encouraging a more profound engagement with their senses. When it comes to adding depth and intrigue to perfumes, incorporating earthy notes is a tried and true method. Earthy notes encompass a wide range of scents, from the rich aroma of soil to the freshness of leaves. By incorporating these natural elements, perfumes can transport wearers to unique olfactory landscapes and create a connection to the grounding forces of nature. One significant advantage of using earthy notes is their ability to recreate a sense of connection with the natural world. In our modern, urbanized lives, many people yearn for a return to nature. Earthy notes in perfumes can provide wearers with a way to reconnect with the elemental aspects of life. Closing your eyes and breathing in the scent can transport you to a dense forest or evoke the feeling of warmth from the earth beneath your feet. This connection offers comfort and tranquility in the midst of our hectic lives. To understand how earthy notes create depth in perfumes, it's important to analyze key ingredients commonly used. Patchouli, for example, is a classic earthy note known for its woody, musty scent. It is often associated with spirituality and introspection. Patchouli's earthiness helps to anchor and stabilize more volatile and floral notes in a perfume, creating a balanced and complex scent. This ingredient is often used in Oriental perfumes, where its earthy quality shines through and creates an intriguing and alluring aroma. Vetiver is another essential earthy note in perfumery. Derived from the roots of a grass native to India, vetiver possesses a unique and distinct scent that is rich, woody, and smoky. It evokes the scent of damp soil and fresh vegetation. Vetiver adds depth and complexity to fragrances while also creating a sense of calm and stability. Its versatility allows it to complement a wide range of compositions, making it a popular choice in perfumery.